everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited to do this video because I've been waiting for this product to arrive just because I was so excited because it looks so pretty. So on today's video I'm going to be testing out the Laura Lee Nudie Patoodie eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited for her. I really like this palette. I saw the video that she made and it looks stunning, so I ordered it and I couldn't wait to try it out, so I figured I would just do a video and show you guys the palette, and then I'll do like a makeup look. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I purchased this, I believe it launched on Tuesday and I forgot about it. Actually, I don't know how I forgot about it. So on Wednesday I remembered, so I went online and I was hoping I could still find some, and yes, they still had some in stock, so I got one. So this palette retails for $45. It is kind of expensive for an eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to show it to you right now. The palette is big and the colors are so pretty, so when I see a palette that it's around the $40 something area, like the $40 something, if it's pretty and the colors are pretty, I don't mind spending the money. So this arrived on Saturday. So it arrived like in this black box, and then the shipping label is like right here. I didn't want to open it till I filmed because I just like the way she packed her eyeshadow. So you open the box and right away you see Laura Lee's picture right here. It's like a little card. It's like a little card with her face, and then it just says Nudie Patoodie, and then on the back it has the actual eyeshadow and all the shades. I did see, I think it was on Instagram or Twitter, that she did sign a couple of her cards. I wish mine came signed, but it didn't. So I'm kind of sad about that. I mean, I like to save these little cards just because I feel bad throwing them away because I know how hard they work to make these. So I did wish she had signed this card. So I'm going to put this aside just because I want to save it. So now I remove the card, and then the box says Laura Lee right here, and then this is the actual palette. I like how she wrapped her palette. It's real nice and packed, and it's safe for your palette because it really protects it. So this is how it came. This is just a sticker, and then let me unwrap it, and then it comes with bubble wrap as well. I really like this because it really protects your shadows. So now this is what the actual box looks like. I really like the nudie pinkish color of this box, and it just says here Nudie Patoodie, Laura Lee, and then on the side it has her, I don't think it's a logo, I don't even know what it's called, but it has like the double L, which is Laura Lee, and then here too, and then on the back it just has like all the little ingredients right here, and then the logo right here too. Oh, and it is cruelty free, so I really like that. Yeah, so I purchased this on LauraLeeLosAngeles.com. I think she's gonna have her palette on MORPHE.com. I don't know exactly the date, but I will list her video where she explains everything on the bottom description bar for you guys. So yeah, now let's open the actual palette. So you unbox it, and the same. Ooh, this is kind of nice. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it says Nudie Patoodie right here, and the letters are kind of like how do you say it? Like you can feel the actual letters, and then her logo is right here. The same on the back, the ingredients and everything. So now you open the palette. Oh my god. Okay, so it comes with a little plastic thing to protect your shadows, and you guys are gonna die when you see these shades. Look at these shades. Aren't they so pretty? Ooh, this one's catching my eye. I'll probably use this one. So these are the shade. It comes with 14 shades, and they have mattes, and I think they're like pressed glitters and also shimmery shades. So these are the shades right here. I'm going to be swatching these for you guys so you can see how they look on the arm. So these are the shades close by. The first shades you can't really tell a lot because they're light, but I'm going to start from here down here. So the first color is Stark, then we have Undressed, Topless, Streaking, Uncover, Strip, Bare, Exposed, Unnatural, Reveal, Jaybird, Butt Naked, Buff, and Naked Naked. So these are the shades right here. So now that you've seen the shades on my arms, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my eye makeup look. As you all can see, I already have my foundation, I already prepped my skin, have concealer, set it, eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and go straight into the actual palette. Also, I want to mention that these shadows feel very buttery and they are super pigmented. I did not see a lot of fallout when I swatched them with my finger, but we'll go ahead and see with the actual brush right now. And I know I need to wash my brushes, so if you see them kind of dirty, I'm sorry. So I already primed my eyes and set them so they're ready to go. So I think I'm going to start with this shade right here, which is called Undressed. I'm going to apply that all over my crease. So I'm going to apply this on my crease. This is a real nice transition shade. So I'm just going to apply this all over my crease. But so far it's blending so good. Do the same to the other eye. And then on top of that, I think I'm going to use Streaking, which is this shade right here. And she describes it as Matte Dark Bisque. So I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to be applying this on my crease as well, on top of that shade. Okay, so now I think I want to add Strip, which is this is kind of like a poopy color. No! I accidentally put my nail into the shadow. So Strip, she describes this shade as Matte Golden Mustard. It does look like a mustardy color. So I'm going to apply this on the crease as well. And on the outer V. I like this shade. It's actually a nice shade. So now I'm going to switch brushes and I'm going to use a smaller brush. I'm going to use this brush right here. And I'm going to use Butt Naked, which is the shade right here. And she describes this as a matte warm brown. And I'm going to be applying this on the inner corner of my eye, in the inner part of my eye and on the outer V. I want to create like a halo eye. As well. All the shades that I've used, I like them. They're so pretty. So then I just want to go back with the other brush and just blend this area right here. So now for my lid, for this part of the center, I want to use Jaybird, which is this pretty shade right here. And she describes this as Fairy Copper Foil with Gold Reflex. So I do know that she mentioned on her video that these shades, it's better if you apply them with your finger. And I do want to add some kind of glitter glue just because they're real like glittery. So I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue. And I'm going to be applying this on the center of my lid. I want to create a halo eye, so I want to go a little bit above where my eyelid folds just so I can see the shade more. So it's about there. And I want to add the glue right here. You can also add concealer if you want, but I'm just adding the glitter glue. So around there. So now I'm going to take that shade Jaybird with my finger. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna apply this where, oh my god, this is so pretty, so pigmented. I'm gonna apply this where I applied that glitter glue. I'm in love with this shade. Oh my god, she really did a good job with these shades, because I've used a lot of like foiled glitters and they still don't apply as good as this one. This is so pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love with this one. I kind of want to try the gold one, but I'm gonna have to do another video to try the other one. This shade is so pretty. I can't get enough of this shade. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back and just add a little bit more dark shade here and here, just so I can blend the shadows right here. And I think I'm gonna add this shade right here, which is Stark, to my brow bone. Okay, so now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to be adding the shade Butt Naked, which is the shade that I used on the outer and inner corner. And I'm just going to be applying this with a flat definer brush. And then I'm going to be using the shade Reveal, which is this brownish shade right here, just to buff everything under the eye. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my eye makeup look, and I'll be right back to finish the rest of my face. Okay, so I finished the rest of my eyes. I added my eyelashes. I'm sorry if this eye looks a little bit watery because I was having a hard time applying this eyelash. I don't know if any of you, but I do have trouble applying eyelash to this part of the eye, especially like on the inner corner. It's always this eye. I don't know what it is from right here, but I always have trouble applying my eyelash. So moving on, like I said, I already have my foundation and everything. So I'm going to be moving on to my bronzer. I do have a little bit of contour. And for my bronzer, I actually bought this Morphe bronzer. And this is in the shade, it's a bronzer, so I guess it's a bronzer and contour. I bought it in the shade Celebutante. I don't know how to say it. I'm guessing it's Celebutante or Celebutante. It says Celebrity plus Debutante, so it's Celebutante. I don't know. So I'm going to be applying this. This is a contour and bronzer, but I think I'm going to just mix both of them together to see how they actually look. I hope it's not too dark. Oh. It's nice. It's a nice shade. I didn't really know if I was gonna get a dark shade or not, because you know when you purchase online you can't really see how it's gonna look, so it's good that it's not too dark. And then I also bought the Morphe, these are their blushes, the Morphe blushes, and this is the, which one is this? The AW Warm Master blush palette, because they had two blush palettes. There was a warm one and there was a cool one, but I tend to go more for these colors, so I got the warm one. So I'm going to be applying that on my cheeks as well. And I think I'm going to use Unapologetic. They have weird names. Unapologetic, which is this shade right here. Ooh, it does have a lot of fallout. Let's just top out the excess. I don't know if these are too pigmented or not, so just go light-handed, and yeah, they seem okay. And I think I want to add a little bit of Babe on top of it. This has a little bit of shimmer, so just a tiny bit on top. And like I said, I already have my contour, but I just want to blend this a little bit more. Okay, and now for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia highlighter. I've been really using that one a lot, so that's what I'm going to stick to, the Amracy highlighter. And then I'm going to be setting my whole face with the Mario Badescu. This is the lavender and chamomile setting spray, like facial spray. I just love how this thing smells. And then just pat it. And then for my lipstick, I'm going to be, where did I put it? I'm going to be using the Morphe liquid lipstick in this shade Schoolgirl. It's just like nudie kind of pink, like the shade right here. So I'm going to be applying that on my lips. So that is it. This is the final result that I came up with. I'm pretty sure you can make a lot of eye makeup looks with this eyeshadow palette because it has so much shades and you can just like mix match them. So this is one of the looks that I came up with. I really like this shade right here, like in the center, and I'm pretty sure the gold one is going to be just as great. So I want to congratulate Laura for this palette that she made. She did an awesome job and it's so pretty and stunning. If you want to purchase this palette, I will leave the link on the description box below. Hopefully it's not sold out, and if it is, I'm hoping that she will bring them back in stock. So I really do like this palette and I do feel like I'm going to be using this a lot. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before you leave, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell to get notified when I upload videos so you won't miss any videos that I upload. And also give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.